Hey everybody, I'm Evan.
I'm Grayson.
And we're going to be at GrandCon this weekend.
GrandCon is a convention that happens on August 30th through September 1st. And it is in Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Yep, that is the local con to us, so it is like a 10-minute drive, and we would like to see you there. If you come up to us and say hi, we will have some games to give away. So let me go over those real quick. We have an extra copy of Grim Reaper Preschool. If you like trick-taking games, this is an unusual one.
Yeah, it's pretty simple and fun.
Yeah, but there's some weird rules to it, so
Yeah.
be prepared for that. Anyway, also we have a copy of Christmas Tree, which is a Christmas-themed, like, really simple set collection type game.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun to play around the holidays. I have an extra copy of Volum Kali, which is, if you like Downforce, this is a game that I also think you would like.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have a copy of Chai Garam, of which I am a celebrity in. And that also comes with like the card holders, the token holder, and the playmat. Then I have a whole pile of Board Game Collector 2023. If you don't know what this is, and you know what vegetable stock is, well, this is a board game themed version of that.
There's more, by the way. This is not the entire stack.
No, yes. I got about like 15 or so of these to give away. And there's a slight rule change, so if you like vegetable stock, you know, there's a little tweak to the rules which makes it a little more fun. That makes the market more fun. And yeah, my good friends over at TBD, Taiwan Board Game Distribution, sent me a whole bunch of these to give away, so I plan on giving them away. So if you want to come up to us and say hi, obviously first come, first serve. Once these are gone, we're going to be there all weekend, Friday afternoon, Saturday afternoon, and all day Sunday. So come up, say hi. We've also got stickers.
Yeah, I got the Ben KCMD and the foil versions.
Yep, we got limited edition Ben KCMD stickers.
There's our series ones.
Yep. We got our dice guys. So also, I plan on giving all of these away because we will be switching sticker manufacturers as soon as these are all gone, and I have a lot to give away.
There's also just like channel unboxings and channel logos.
Yep. So I want to give all those away. There'll probably be some at the little table at the front.
Yeah.
But yeah, so come say hi, and if you want to take a picture
with
the legend Ben KCMD.
Yep.
You maybe take a selfie with it. We'll have it there.
Yep.
So, yeah. So I think come to the convention, play some games. They have a really great library.
They do.
And there's other celebrities that'll be there. Like Our Family Plays Games will be there. You can say hi to them. And there's some famous designers like Eric Lang is going to be there, and John DeClaire are going to be there. People you've probably heard of.
Yeah.
And us. So yeah, we hope to see you there, and yeah, I guess that's it. We'll hopefully see you there. Bye, everybody.
Bye.